Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today, first of all, happy Christmas. If it's Christmas where you're watching this, if it's not, have a nice day. Today I'm going to take the E46 down to one of my friend's places and we're going to do some rings, lad. I had the car on the axle stand for the last 12 months and I kind of put the LSD in like about a year ago, and I don't know if you can believe it, but I've never even done a ring yet. Or I did a burnout and a drift, but I never put the car around. So today we're going to be having fun and testing out the LSD. I'm still on the standard medium case petrol half shaft, so if they snap, they snap. Hopefully not. Okay. The beamer works, the LSD definitely works. I didn't break a shaft, that's brilliant. The power steering got heavy because I don't have a power steering cooler. The clutch, it took second like 2 or 3 times, but then like the 4th, 5th time it was just slipping in second, so I'm guessing the clutch is fucked. But I'm not too worried about that. The LSD definitely works, and yeah, had a load of fun. Yeah, so thanks for watching, cheers.